What is up, everyone? It's your boy, Isaac Medina, AI Dadpreneur, back on the channel with another episode. And this one is pretty cool. It's an AI writer. It's going to be a review. And I'm going to be sharing also like a strategy that I've created for myself to create some social media posts on the fly. So let's jump right in. I'm going to show you guys. All right. So this tool is called Nichesss and it can be found on AppSumo. Hey, we love AppSumo. I definitely recommend you guys signing up for the Plus membership with AppSumo because it's worth it, especially during Black Friday. You get not only the 10% off with Black Friday deals, but then you get on top of that an additional 10% off because you're an AppSumo Plus member. So make sure you guys sign up, and I'll have a link down in the description down below so you guys can sign up for that Plus membership. But definitely check out Nichesss inside of AppSumo. With Nichesss, it's only $59 for a lifetime. This tool does all kinds of stuff. You can create some Facebook ads, Google ads, Twitter tweets or X tweets, Instagram posts, emails, YouTube ideas. I've used it for YouTube, coming up with like titles, video descriptions. I've used the name generator for like domains and coming up with some niche domain names and all that. I've used it for that. So with the $59, you get unlimited tokens, and you also get AI marketing copy generator, AI idea generator, write your newsletters, come up with email subject lines, create Instagram posts, Twitter tweets, give your YouTube ideas, video ideas for any niche, and possibilities are endless. And they have a really good rating for AppSumo. 306 reviews, almost 5 tacos, guys. That is awesome. I love that. And I'm a big believer in this software. I've used it for a long time now. And so Nichesss is the way to go. And it's definitely worth the price of admission. So once you sign up, it'll take you to a site like this. And you can even do check out the one-click posts. Wow, that's new. I haven't used that. I've used a long form, and I've used some of the older tools like course description, course learning objectives. I've done that for my course name, courses. And then I've used some of the, obviously the YouTube video ones are awesome. They're usually found at the bottom, the hashtag, the SEO, rewriters, all that stuff. But this one here, one-click post, generate 1,000 plus word blog posts in just one click. Hey, let's try it. All right, so I'm going to go do this. Okay, let's see. Post title. Enter a title here. We'll make an outline in the next step. Okay, so for the course title, post title, I'm going to do, let's see, AI for busy entrepreneurs. I know how that feels. I still work my full-time job and I have 5 kids, so I'm a busy dad. All right, so we're going to have number of sections the document should have. Let's do 5. Okay, send to new. Okay, optional. It's new. You haven't added any WordPress blogs to this. Click here. Oh, that's pretty cool. So you can set up your WordPress and have this generate doing the one-click thing. Then boom, it uploads to WordPress for you. So that's awesome. I'm definitely going to be utilizing that. So you can have advanced settings, tone, professional. Okay, we'll stick with that. They have various ones on here. Curious, educational, energetic, upbeat, friendly, funny. Let's do funny. I try to be funny whenever I can. All right, so choose a tag. Let's type a new tag here, optional. We'll just leave that alone. Keywords. Let's do affiliate marketing. Let's do passive income. That's cool. Let's do AI. And let's do SEO and YouTube. There we go. All right. Point of view, first person, myself, I. First person plural, we, are, ours. Okay. You, he, she. All right. Let's do first person or yeah. Leave it alone. Default. Hit next. All right. So it's going to do its thing. And then, okay, the outline. If you like the outline, press generate to get an article. You can edit any of these items. Okay, so it does affiliate marketing better. Okay, That would be the first section. Make money while robot works. AI plus SEO equals passive income. Include a list. Sure, I'll include a list. YouTube fame with help from AI. Okay. And then busy entrepreneurs, let AI help. Okay. So hit generate. All right, let's do this thing. Let's check it out. Okay. So it's doing its thing. It's generating. The AI is working for us. I use Chat GPT. Don't get me wrong. I use OpenAI hand in hand with this Nichesss AI writer. I also own several other AI writers because I've picked up from AppSumo, but this is one of the old school ones that I kind of picked up back in, it's probably been a year now, excuse me. Okay. So yeah, I've had it for quite a while now. Let's see, your document is being generated. It will take a few minutes and I guess, oh, it's bit it back. All right. So view document. All right, here we go. AI for busy entrepreneurs. Artificial intelligence, AI, has been a topic for conversation for years, but its impact on the business world has never been more relevant. You guys get the picture. I'm not going to sit here and read all this, but this is awesome. Oh, okay. AI plus SEO passive income. It included a list. That's awesome. YouTube fame with help from AI. Dude, this is awesome. This has got to be, dude, it generated 1,118 words for you. Wow. That is awesome. Based on a couple of things that we had to answer, like probably 2 or 3 sentences, couple clicks, and that's it, you're done. And it even has this, like, you can fix the way it looks and all that. It has this little generate text. You can even add to it. This is amazing. I love this. So I'm going to go ahead and save this one for the future, but this is awesome, guys. Like, this is unbelievable. For $59, you're literally a couple of words and it spits back 1,000 plus article for you. Game changer, guys. All right. So not only it could do that, but it can do so many other things. Let's see. Let's go back to the home page. You can do, let's create a new project so I can take it for a spin, create a content plan. Let's see. New project, write a document, one-click post, create a video ready for TikTok or YouTube in a snap. All right. It's new. Okay. Oh, so we got to upgrade on this one. Let's check it out. $9 for 500 images, $90 for the annual plan for the plus. That's awesome. $9 a month. Okay. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to check this out. I'm gonna have to do a part 2 of this review video because I have not tried this. I want to try it first before I share it with you guys. So heading back. So for example, let's do TikTok content. All right. So what I do is I created this little cheat sheet for myself that I could show you guys. And there it is, 2024 social media schedule. Okay, so I like to come up with a title. So first, let's come in here and look for a title. So let's say I want to create, for the titles I use, right here, where is it at? Right here, go to writing. And then there's a title section. Okay, so for the titles, I use headlines. So generate headline. What article will discuss? What article will discuss? Okay, let's see. AI for get content. So it's going to spit back a headline. So AI for solopreneurs, revolutionizing the way small businesses operate. I'll do that. So I'll paste this into here and then let's see. I'll paste that into there. Paste special, values only. Boom. Main topic. So for main topic, I'll head over to paragraph and then I'll paste in the title, hit get content. And now it's going to do its thing and come back with a paragraph. So content here. So I can take all this AI solopreneurs game changing technology, blah, blah, blah. I can take it all, or I can just take a couple, like a sentence or two. And I'm just going to grab these 2 sentences and boom, there's my main topic, my main like words or whatever you want to call it that will go down. Imagine a video on Instagram and I'm doing like some kind of movement or whatever. I got my headline, my title up top, and I'm like, check it out, guys, like that. And then down when they click for more, they'll read this information here down in the description or whatever. And then hashtags, we'll grab some hashtags and I head over to, there's a hashtag generator, which is right here, relevant hashtags. And then I'll just paste in that and then hit get content. Those were the 2 sentences I copied from the paragraph, and boom, I just got a bunch of hashtags. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that, paste value, boom, I got my hashtags. Call to action. All right. Come over here, call to action, boom. I'll put that in, hit get content, and then there it is. I'll boost efficiency and productivity with our game. There we go. Join the small business revolution to embrace the future of AI. So boom, I'll put that down here like that. And there you have it. So this is literally a post. So now I'll pick up my phone. I'll do like a, like a little duet video or whatever. And I'm like pointing up or whatever. And I'm like, AI for solopreneurs, revolutionizing the way small businesses operate. And then, end the video, but then down in the description of the video, whatever, boom, people can read about it. And then I'll have the hashtags. So then TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest will spit it out to more traffic because you're putting hashtags. And then boom, I'll probably put the call to action in the video. So I'll be like, right like that or something before it ends. And then boom. So there you have it. And then you just do that. That's for tomorrow. And then you just literally copy and paste. Copy that, paste. And then this will be for, so tomorrow's Saturday. So it's for Sunday. Boom. And you just copy and paste. And then you just change the date for Monday. And literally you get the picture. And you just go to Nichesss, back and forth, back and forth. There you have it. Or you can do it at ChatGPT. So you get the strategy that I use for my videos for you guys. So now you have it. All right, guys. I try to make this video shorter than normal because I've been taking forever to make these videos, but I'm loving it. So sorry about that. But make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah, share this video with your friends and family. And I hope you guys will come back for another episode of AI Dadpreneur. All right, guys. Peace.